Hey y'all, good afternoon. Welcome back to Cleo's Kitchen. Happy Sunday. I hope everybody had an awesome weekend. Mine was full of relaxation with my music. My kids was gone, so I relaxed and ate to myself. Yes, I did. Okay, so today we're gonna go with a very easy Asian meal. A one-pot meal. That's all you need. It's quick and easy. Chicken and shrimp with garlic and honey sauce, Asian style. And over here, I have some chicken thighs that I marinated and roasted in the oven, and then I just chopped it up and diced it up. And I have my shrimp over here. So let's get into our ingredients. Our ingredients are soy sauce, pink salt, cornstarch, Maggi, some chicken Maggi, rice wine vinegar, some white pepper, hoisin sauce, squeezed garlic, or you can just chop your own garlic if you want to, but I'm gonna squeeze mine, and some regular vegetable oil. And then I have over here, I have a whole onion diced, and I just cut up some carrot, some fresh carrot, and some green beans. But you can use any vegetable you want. You can use broccoli, you can use corn, you can use sweet peas, you can use whatever you want. It's in this dish. Whatever veggie you want, you can put it in there. I have some green onion over here. And I have my sauce mixture. Okay, so the marinade for the chicken and the sauce and the shrimp is the soy sauce, rice wine vinegar, hoisin sauce, and white pepper, and the salt. And in the sauce, I just added half a cup of water and a tablespoon of Maggi, and I used 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and about a teaspoon of honey and a teaspoon of rice wine vinegar. So that is the sauce. All right, let's get into it. Okay, so now I'm going to take my oil, vegetable oil, that's good, just enough to cover the bottom. And I want to use this skillet. It's almost like a non-stick. Well, it is non-stick base, because I want us to have all the sauce. I don't want none of the sauce sticking to the bottom or nothing like that. So now we're going to throw our veggies in there. Give them a quick stir. And we don't want anything to burn. So that's why I chose this skillet. It smells good. Give them a quick saute real quick for about 3 to 5 minutes to stir it. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta turn my notifications off. I keep forgetting to, so sorry for all the little bing bings y'all be hearing in the background. All right, next we're gonna add our garlic, and you need about 5 cloves of garlic for this, because it's garlic sauce. So if you want to chop your own garlic, use about 5 cloves. You want it good and garlicky. Stir that in there. I love garlic. I eat garlic in everything. I love it. Stir that on up in there. Oh, that smells so good, y'all. Yes, indeed. You want to just stir them just until, you know, our veggies start to get a little soft. But they will finish cooking once we add our sauce. Okay, now I'm going to add my shrimp. And you just want to cook your shrimp until they start turning like pinkish color, like pink. That looks good already. I can eat it just like this. Okay, so now my shrimp is getting a good color on them. I'm going to go ahead and add my chicken. And my chicken, after I marinated it, I roasted it on a cookie sheet at 375 for about 15-20 minutes because it's going to finish cooking in the sauce. So don't worry if you see it's not fully cooked. It'll finish cooking in here. Stir it all up. And we get all that garlic goodness. And I took the skin off of my chicken thighs and trimmed the fat as well. And then put them in the marinade. Put them in the marinade. It smells so good, y'all. Okay, now it's sauce time, y'all. Oh, and my stove is on. It's on a 4 right now. My stove's on 4. So this is the sauce, the marinade we use for our chicken and our shrimp. And I just added some chicken Maggi and a teaspoon of cornstarch and water. And just pour it over. And also, if you want to add a little sesame oil to your sauce, go ahead. I can't because my daughter's allergic, but I love sesame oil, but she can't have it, so I didn't put it in this time. But sesame oil would really give it that Asian flavor we're looking for. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna add my green onion. That looks so good, y'all. And get that all stirred up. And also taste your sauce now, just in case it needs some adjusting or you want to add a little something else. It's thickening up. See the cornstarch? That's what you want to see, like that. The cornstarch makes it thicken up. I'm going to give it a little taste. Ooh, child. That is the bomb.com. It don't need nothing, y'all. It don't need nothing. Okay, y'all, so I'm going to let this simmer for like 5 minutes, and then it's done. Okay, y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. It's done, guys. It's so saucy. It smells so good and garlicky. The carrots and the string beans, the green beans still have their shape. It still got a little crunch. Our shrimp is done. They're not overcooked. Oh my God. This is delicious, y'all. I'm just going to get this plated up, and I'll be right back. Ooh, wee, look at that, y'all. It looks so good. Our chicken and our shrimp and our veggies. And I just topped it off with some green onion. We're going to eat this on the side with some, or on top of some fried rice. And I got some other chicken wings in the oven, just some regular Chinese chicken wings. I have a recipe for that too. You can go check out the video for that. But that's our chicken and shrimp and garlic and honey sauce. It's so bomb, y'all. Chinese right at home, honey. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe, go tell a friend. Y'all know what to do. I'm about to tear this up, y'all. Y'all know what to do. Keep it easy and greasy, baby. Till next time in Cleo's Kitchen. Tell them who sent ya. Love y'all.